My dear Limbu students of class 3, how are you? I hope you all are fine, right? So, now we will start our new chapter from Yakthung Sapsok Phona book, page number 13. Topic Yonggong, meaning in English river, written by Menyangbo Kamala Subba. Okay, before start this poem, there is some word meaning is given to you. You have to learn it. For example, Nangjong means snow peak, Sanarung meaning peace, Temen meaning India, No Ingong meaning good news, Sakmura means band or crush. Okay, Saronde means sliding, Sake meaning promise, Thiksengwa meaning identity. Now let's discuss this poem. Okay. Yonggong in soklo nangjong lam yero temen ren tembo o mora yonggong in atilam soklo Europe mu nangjong lam soklo Europe mu korokhen yonggong in ati pek lopo temen ren tembo mo pek lopo aro mikphulam pa mele hema kusing nitet bogra je river is flowing direction from the mountain till to destination bang kusing nitet alo natla neche mo po ometum sarum Sanarung no samlo sammet no pero no ingong sesuro aro ha leje no ingong sesuro pek lopo mu yongongi leje sanarung samlo sammet no ingong sesuro ati pek lopo khune temen ren tembo hemo pek lopo koro kon yongongin atilam Europe kon yongongin je nangjong lam Europe aro na mikphulalung omemle thepong bagro je song of peace is singing sharing a good message Obaje ani kusing nitet aro natla sumsi hemopo ometum saarum tukhenu lakhe saronde chatnu sakmuraha wadenduro aro ha lemo tukhenu lakhe je thepong mu saronde chatnu atim peklapo yonggongin peklapo ala sakmura ha wadendu ha le sakmura wadendu yonggongi le sakmuraha ang wadendu ropo mu aro kona mikphula lam mele thepong ne bhogra je sorrow and problems are too sliding slow with the flow of the river bang ani kusing nited aro last verse pa ma ya kunum singba nat la mo thepo ometum sarum Menung na sakhe hupsing lo pero thikseng wa septuro mo lo themu ha lemu menung na sakhe je ha le hupsing lo pek lo po ne bor je yonggong le je menung na sakhe hupsingang ati pek lo po khune soronde cha no pek lo po mero khune soronde ko cha no pek lo po koro kon singang themang wade dung ti ro po sakmura ha wade dung ti ro po melo yammo khune sanarung len samlong sammet no ingong sesro ne mero ono yammo khune je afeleng menung na thechug ro po sakhe hupsingang je khune thiksengwa inje thebel sab sep to ang ti ropo aro na mikphula mo mele thepong ne bogro je making a promise for not a returning back preserving uniqueness bangje ani kusing nitet alo thileng sarangang inga yakthung beb moi nirung khepseme nicham sase yonggong in soklo nangjong lam yero temen ren tembo o sanarung len samlo sammet no pero no ingong sesuro Tukhe no lakhe saronde chatnu sakmuraha wadenduro Menung mana sakhe hupsing lo pero thikseng wa septuro kon kisapa sammi la samma jawa menyangbo kamala subba aro mikphula haimong ometum sarum River is flowing direction from the mountain till to destination Song of peace is singing sharing a good message Sorrow and problems are too sliding slow with the flow of river. Making a promise for not returning back, preserving uniqueness. Poet Menyangbo Kamala Subba. My dear Limbu students of class 3, I hope you will understand this poem, right? If you have any confusion, you can ask me, okay? Thank you, your subject teacher, BD Limbu.